Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a QR code to your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, I don't have a QR code at hand. However, I will be going and creating one. So I'm just going to copy over my site URL for the WordPress admin, and I'm going to go ahead and use some of the online free QR code generators, such as QR Code Monkey. Really doesn't matter which one you use. There's a lot of free ones, so I do recommend you choose one of them and just paste your URL which you need. And now you can select the quality that you want. Really doesn't matter as well. And I'm gonna select, for example, 650 by 650. That should be good enough. You can select SVG, PDF, and EPS. You can also download a PNG. However, some of these might be paid options. As you can see, it is set up like that here. And then we're going to go ahead and click Create QR Code. Once that's done, actually, never mind. It's going to allow me to click any of these once it generates the QR code. So let's wait for that to finish. It should take a couple different seconds. Now, what you can also do if you don't want to download it, or if it's a paid service which shows you your QR code, but it doesn't allow you to download it, just screenshot it. Works just as well. We're going to be embedding an image anyway. So let's just wait for a second. And once this is done, we're going to be taking over that QR code and we're going to be embedding our image. Now, first, let me go ahead and set everything up here. What we're going to do is we're going to go into pages. And for example, let me go into this page, which is an empty page with a footer. So if I go here, we're going to go ahead and click on the plus and go to image. And here we have image. So we're going to add it above the footer, just over there. As you can see, you can upload it, select an image, or insert from URL. Really doesn't matter. So if we go back here, it still isn't done. But yeah, pretty much all you need to do is just download the QR code however you know. I'm not going to go ahead and wait for this to finish since it's taking way too much time. Download it, screenshot it, do whatever you want. Make sure you have the file, then go over here, click upload, select the file from your computer, and you're pretty much done. Once you're done with that, click on publish and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.